So now we got get all your corn plate. Make sure we got 12. Make sure we ain't missing none. And just put the tire on the dry side and then run the other one down through the middle to open it back up so the water can run off the field and go down that pipe when it do start to dry off. So. Oh man, we ain't got no gas in it. I thought they been good Samaritan left some gas in there. The gas jug on back of the truck. Hey, how y'all doing? Today is another day. And today is dry. I'm talking about dry. So we got so much rain in Lake Providence and in Monticello. So we ain't gonna be able to plant the corn like we wanted to. Gonna put us too far behind. So the plan is today we just called to see that they had a tender. If they got a tender, we're gonna go ahead and put us some beans in the ground. Yes sir. Yeah, you heard me. We gonna put some beans in the ground. And I think they what the hell? We ain't hit April yet. We still in March 27th. So I'm about to go down here now, get the corn plates out of it, take all the corn seeds out, put the bean plates in it, and we're gonna rock and roll again, baby. We got to rock and roll. So before this video go any further, I need y'all to stop what you're doing right now. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. You'll be notified. You'll be notified when I drop another video. You'll be notified. So the plan is today to drop seeds in the ground. When I say we got some dirt, it ain't muddy, it's good and crusty, top and bottom, man, I love it. I love it. So we gonna try it today. So we about to, I got Dexter tries it all back there. So we're gonna try to see, can we put like, that's 80 back there. We got another 50 right here, and I think this like 35 right here. So we're gonna try to do it in maybe 2 days. We got some rain coming in, supposed to last like, they said flood. So I know we got a bottom down in there because that ditch ain't deep enough. So I know we're gonna have to probably do a little replant on that, but the rest of it planted. And on this side here, we got a little hole over there due to the ditch ain't got no, it ain't no big ditch. And then the water run out so slow down here. So we gonna try it, So before we do anything, we gotta go ahead and get these seed plates out of here and seeds out of it and then put the bean plates in. Yeah, so it's a little windy today. It shouldn't be too bad for the voice to pick up. So like I said, I gotta dump all 12 units out. Look like them bags still got a little add them. I could be wrong. Okay, I'm about to say. Oh gee, we gonna pick the top up. What done happened now? Oh gee. Oh gee. That ain't good. So I gotta set that over for a while to let it down. Guess the wind got high enough to take the top off of it. I'm glad with no seeds in it. So let's get ready to take all of them out. Good enough right there. D, gotta come take all these hoppers off. Well, take these tops off. I gotta start getting these seeds out of there. Yeah, that one that got wet. I gotta take it loose anyway. So be all right. Take the top all the way out because I gotta flip it over anyway. How did we get dirt in it? We had some on top of the... Oh, look, that'll come on anyway. So that's how that works. You gotta twist that deal up. Make sure it's straight and round. Pull it up. I gotta start. Still got corn seeds in it. Find me a bag or something. Now I gotta go from that end to that end. Woo! That was alright task. So now we got get all your corn plate. Make sure we got 12. Make sure we ain't missing none. You missing one right here. Where you put it at? Oh, I see it. I mean, you got out of the way. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you did put them on the opposite way. Every now and then you twist that knob, and this way it be hell. But I'm gonna do it in just a second. You got it? Why you ain't got your hat on your head? You don't never wear no hat. Well, go ahead, do the rest of them, then I'm gonna put the tops on them. Got them back on now. Now we ready to roll. But I gotta make a trip to town first to Helena, go pick up the bean seeds. So they supposed to be treating them right now, so that's why I went on ahead and put them on together. So I got it should crumble out of there eventually. That come from doing all that mud. But I'm gonna wash it up though. Get it all nice and pretty again. So go ahead and shoot some grease in them. They put 2 shots of grease in them. Grease them right there. Grease that up under the third arm. The cylinders. Gotta take the plastic off. You alright? You sure? Come on. Alright, you good right there. When you still see come out a little bit, that'll be good. Grease all of them. Yep, see that's why we try to save on them corns. See them bags so doggone high. So now these seeds right here really gotta go in the trash. But I can put them in a bag. I got a couple purple ones in there. I guess the plenty one clean all the way out. But I don't know. That bucket there got a little oil in them. But I don't think we're gonna plant them nowhere. I'm just put them to the side. Matter of fact, I got another planter sitting right there with a top on it. I'm gonna put them in there. But then I had to dump them back out of there, huh? That's crazy. I'm gonna leave them in the bucket. Put them in the shed. Hope the rats don't get a hold to them. Come on. Alright. So what I'm gonna do before I leave, make sure all them bearing good. Got the dirty now. Uh-oh. Dirty now. Let's see. Alright. Got grease up under that quick hitch. Right here. Oh, you gotta let it back down. There go one right there. Like that one right there. On both sides, then let it down. It's one up under there. Hope they got me ready. Oh, they do. They got me ready. They got me ready. Tender sitting on the side ready to go. Got me ready. You know what I'm seeing right here. Ask me in a minute. Hook that, let that down. We're gonna hook that trailer up so we roll. See what we can get done for the rest of the day. Dexter tries it all. What's wrong, Eugene?
I was going to help you. 35 meters in here. Let me lift up on it right quick, man. You got to do all that, Jack. Say it's the truck. Say it's the new truck.
Nah, he says about your cutting. Gotta pull over here and put some air in the tire. They say a little low. Some bag in over here. Boy, I'm glad I got me an old Duramax. The Nile. I got some power now, cause at first I had that old 1500. That joker had no power. I couldn't do no stuff like this here. I had to take half a trailer. I can take a full trailer now. Give me all you got. Should be good right there. Yeah, they're getting it, D. That's gonna be you, boy. We locked, loaded, rolling. We are rolling. You can tell that time of year, a lot of tractors rolling. It look like a 4630. I'm gonna say a 4630. It might be I think it is. I think the one that got the doors on with a roller. Might be a 4630. That way you look from a distance. Let me see what we got. 4840. God, I'm way off. Way off. So he just got through rolling that field out there. 4840. I guess he packing the ground. So when it rains, it won't take him too long to get back in there. Let me see how this works. He come let this down. Jump right here. Guess we'll start getting out the one in the back. It ain't got no spout on it. So now we gotta do hopper by hopper. All right, let them bag up. Let them bag up. Then we had to keep the truck running. What you doing? Pull up. I said I'm gonna let him bag up. Go ahead up. Right there, that's good. Oh man, we ain't got no gas in it. I thought they been good Samaritan, left some gas in there. The gas jug on back of the truck. The gas jug back there. Where the gas jug at there? Well, I hate for that to happen to them two right there. But they was in the auger. They was in the auger, unloading auger. Two little birds. So we got the dumper, they fell up in there. But ain't nothing up there? No scoop? That ain't gonna work. Let me get one on back of my truck. I don't know where my yard stick is, my grade stick is. So we gotta change it over. Because we had planted corn last. So I know we planting for a rain. So I know that's too. Yep. And I gotta change the rate on it. Something joking. Pull that back. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. So I gotta change all of them. Pull them up, son. Change all of them. play my vacuum. I'm at 122. Put my vacuum on some more. So I gotta keep playing my vacuum real quick, get it all stable. My beans ain't too sour. Gotta drop that down some more. Bag up a little bit. Drop it down. Hold still. Yeah, I think we can beat this rain. I think we can beat the rain. It kinda, it's supposed to be starting raining tomorrow. So I hope we can put these seeds in the ground. We put them kind of shallow. We don't want to put them too deep. Then we're going to plant for a rain. Say it with me. Country living. Say it with me. Country living. I like this time. I like harvest season even better. Right hand man right there. Ain't that right? Well, you gotta stop acting like you just shy. You act like you just shy. That's all they do over there. They sit there and talk. Two brothers. They sit there and talk about the weather and don't even know it. Yeah, I'm talking about when y'all see the video, y'all know what I'm talking about. Get that kind of hot. I'm gonna hit that water for this time. Got some more guy doing some country living stuff, doing some spraying. We could have put that roll on there before we plan to give them another flatter roll, because it's kind of eating up on one side here and there. Watch that water fur right there. Had that plant on slapping, you know. Gotta slow down for that deal there. But other than that, I wish I had that roller kind of pack that roll just a little bit more. Hey, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe too, and hit that notification bell. Nightfall starting to catch us. I got Dexter tries it all in the operating seat. Trying to show them the rope, the ins and out. Future farmers of America right now. So right now we gotta stop right quick, reload with some more seeds. It ain't nothing like planting corn. So like you say, when I do 130 compared to what, 30,000 seeds, 33,000 seeds. So yeah, it's a different animal now. And then the seed's a lot smaller. Watch that spot behind you. Come on back. So then this deal here don't have the long spout on, so we gotta go hopper for hopper. So some of them still got a little bit in it. Come on, come on. Come on. All right. Saw it out. I think I did it wrong. Hope it ain't stopped up. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna load up. I got a round left over there, then we're gonna get through with that one. Then we're gonna shut it down till tomorrow so we can see what's going on back there. So we're gonna try to beat the rain though. How y'all doing? Kind of early this morning. Still gotta try to keep the rain. So I'm moving this tractor out the way. I got the ditch on them. So I'm planning up to this grain cart. The grain cart, that's I still got a little clean to do on this. But other than that, the grain cart really ain't in the way. So I'm gonna plan all the way up to, I'm coming through here anyway, so I gotta move this out the way. So I gotta do a bunch of ditches over on the left side. Go get this truck. I gotta get this tractor. I'm gonna get the truck or get the tractor. I'm gonna just get the truck. My bag up down here, put some air in that planter, and try to see if we can beat this rain. Yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can do my best to not track that up so bad. So this spot right up here, that spot there gonna be kind of the wettest spot, like when it do rain, because that ditch fill up with water. That ditch fill up with water. Then we put a hill there, and then we took it out because the water we were trying to get the water drained that way. So now the water coming off another guy's property onto our property. So now we gotta stop it back up again. To whatever water left here, it'll just run that way to that ditch. So this ditch should get full of water, which it ain't deep enough. So they need to come back and dig it out a little bit more. Then we'll be all right. But this area right here get kind of, kind of saturated with water. And we got this spot here, I know most likely I'll come back and replant it. But we'll just cross that road when we get there. But right now, it's doing pretty good. I ain't got my four-wheel drive and I need to stop right quick. Because it's gonna start spinning on me, we're gonna hit stop. I forgot to turn it on. So now since I did that, I got a bag up. Now I gotta put it right down. As long as I keep that plant on top of that road, because it's kind of wet a little bit. As long as I keep that plant on top of the road, we'll be alright. Matter of fact, I need to move over some more. That road there, I don't know what happened to it. It's got a little mud on me. Oh, track it up on it right there. Take that wheel off, clean that mud out of there. So ran that mud down there. Got my seeds on top of the ground. Let me take that wheel off. See the mud right there. Well, it's gonna be my another bad spot right here, because like I said, that water, that ditch be full of water. I still got water in my trenches. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to get that tractor and come back through and just put the tire on the dry side and then run the other one down through the middle to open it back up so the water can run off the field and go down that pipe when it do start to dry off. So that's gonna be my bad spot. But down that end down there, it's a bigger ditch, so it kind of curved down this way at one point of the field. And on the other half of the field, it goes to the big ditch over that way, so it kind of half and half. But this ditch here is just too small, so I really want to. I dug a trench from there all the way down there, a little deeper, but it still ain't working. So most of it runs off pretty fast anyway. It just all just sit right here though. It ain't like to be way out in the field. It'll just be right here in this little trench though. Check to see how many seeds I got left in there. I know I filled up when I was on that side over there. So, oh gee, what's going on here? Almost came on. Still got quite a bit in there. Oh, I probably got the tree down there. Probably grabbed a hold to it. That's why I want them trees gone. Got that lip on that one. Should be good for another few rounds. Should be good for a while, so I keep going by, say about another 3 rounds and have to go fill up again. Oh my goodness! We beat the rain on that deal. So now you know my name is Dexter Do It All. So I'm through with planting for right now. Now I gotta get on that deal. We're draining all the fluid out, the hydraulic fluid out, and put some heavier fluid in it. But I wish we had a full little sprayer like for the tractor deal, so we can go through there and spray it. But we can't. That thing that got some narrow tires and it's real skinny and heavy. It's gonna rut it up from end and end, and it ain't got no doors on it. Probably would have been a little better, but since we ain't got that, you gotta wait on the rain to leave and put some Roundup, atrazine, and try to start fertilizing too at the same time. So let's get off of this hill. Done with you for right now this week, and get started on it, just getting everything prepped up. And I gotta, matter of fact, I need to pull over there. I gotta find out where that air leak coming from. I'm kind of losing pressure while I'm going down through the field. So it's a change of plan. So I gotta go run some water fur. Well, not water fur, but I'm gonna just put that top down in that trench while I was going through the soft spots at. Try to open back up before it rains. There's another dry spot over there that he can go ahead. He can run the ditches over there. Right now I'm gonna go through there and get the wet spots, kind of open them back up, like back there and right there, just to run the top through it. I think it'd be best to do it that way. This is 4640. Yeah, put it to work real quick. Got the old tractor, old reliable tractor. Come on, though, close up. we doing something. Yeah, like I say, from one job to the next. Trying to get some of this corn ground spray. We ain't gonna put no atrazine in it. We just gonna put some that control them weeds, because say this the crop don't make it, we can always come back and plant some beans behind it. So they say supposed to have a lot of rain coming in. So, but this the spot we cleared up. You have all the trucks and stuff parked there. So we still got a couple rocks that they're gonna come level it this year. So I'm just picking up stuff every time I see it. I just pick it up and throw it in a pile. But see if I can beat the darkness. But that thing is so wide that you have to keep folding it in. And we got that whole tree line done down there, so we ain't really got to get stuck in the tree like talking about it. But try to beat the dark, because you want to see what you're doing. See the cloud building on up. Definitely over that way. Make sure all the tips the same. Gotta have them blue tips. Blue. Cause I know I messed with it today. I don't think I put them back like they was. Yep, and that's what I did. Then twist them back on this end. Got it now. Dark now. Can't see nothing. Seems like dark came fast.